I was a little indisposed and my skin suffered it as well. I was unable to make my African black soap, which is also moisturizing, and this is what I got in return. Hello, welcome back, welcome. So I want to show you how my back is now. My back has totally healed from those dry patches, the acne that I showed in the picture previously. So let me show you how my back looks like now. I am so excited that I'm able to achieve this using aloe vera for a few days. So this is my back. Can you see very well? Yes, everything is clear. So I plucked one leaf from my aloe vera plant. If you want to see how to grow yours bigger, it is in the description below. So I just plucked one leaf because I will be storing part of the leaf after cutting the quantity that I will be needing for the first usage. So after plucking out that, I rinsed it thoroughly. You want to make sure to rinse out all the dirt from it, and I dried the leaf to make sure it is free from excess water, because I want to make sure that I use just the aloe vera gel alone, no water inclusive. So this white part that I am touching in this video is that part you want to leave out when cutting your aloe vera gel, so that will protect your aloe vera to last longer at home, even without refrigerating the aloe vera plant. It can last for days and weeks, and I will be storing it in that little container until I am ready to use it. I actually make this video early so that I will make use of it when I cleanse my skin. Now I'm cutting out that part that looks like thorn, because of course you do not want to irritate yourself with that part of the plant. Now to get the gel, you have to cut out that little fleshy part of the plant. So you reach the gel. This is the jelly part. Aloe vera is very good, and it is so moisturizing. I have talked about it in one of my videos, and I will subsequently talk about aloe vera plant, aloe vera gel, and the usage for the skin and your hair. So this is the remaining part. You want to cover it with your black cellophane nylon. You want to make sure it is black because it protects it longer, and this can stay for as long as you keep it in your house at your normal room temperature. There is no need for refrigerating if you do not want to. So this is the two storage method that I have. One is temporary and one is for a longer period. Now I purposely wore this dress so that you can see clearly how I rubbed that gel into my back. I rubbed them generously. I applied it generously, and this is the second day. I just want to show you how the plants look like after the second day. You can see that it is still looking fresh, and this is what I did for all the days that I applied this gel. And I applied this gel for the total of 14 days, 2 weeks. You can as well achieve this using aloe vera if you have aloe vera plant at home. Then you do not have to worry about what dry patches or acne will do to your skin. Make use of that miraculous plant you have at home, and you have no issue with your skin. Thank you once again to my returning viewers. I appreciate you all. And if this is your first time on this channel, I appreciate you also. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel as you support the channel to grow more, and you will be notified when you turn on the notification bell about other interesting videos that I upload as such. Until my next video, thank you, bye, and God bless you.